It's not all retail reporting this week. We are getting some other companies, including some interesting companies in the financial space and in software. So I thought I'd bring you some kind of newer charts to the Earnings All-Stars videos this week as we take a look at some of these other companies reporting, and also one lone retailer, let's just say, that I snuck in there as well. So let's jump right in. The first one is Seguro, which I'm sure you've not heard of because it's from Brazil. So the ticker is PAGS, and it only went IPO back in 2018. But these online financial services companies are really hot. And as you can see, after selling off in 2018, it's come roaring back here in 2019. It hasn't missed yet since its 2018 IPO. So if you're interested in this space that includes like Square and those types of companies, Seguro is one you're going to want to watch. Then we're going to switch over to the software side. This is Connected Planning through Anaplan here. They also only went IPO in 2018, and they also haven't missed since the IPO. So real nice track record. Anything with software, it has been super hot. It's coming down off those highs now. So this is one that you might want to add to your list of tech companies to watch. And then we're going to add in Splunk here too. This is the Datatoeverything platform, and they have this great track record. They haven't missed it since our data began in 2016. These shares are kind of moving sideways here in 2019, waiting for some direction, even with these huge beats that they've put up. That's those long green arrows are the big magnitude beats. But can another one really get these shares moving back up to 5-year highs? We shall see. And then I added in this company, Stone Company, which is also financial services down in Brazil, because Berkshire Hathaway actually owns this. They bought some of these shares back in 2018, which is looking like a really good buy shortly after that IPO. And then we had the big surge in 2019, they pulled back, and now looks like it might want to test those highs again. It's put together 3 meter beats in a row here, so it has gotten its act together that way. But if you're interested in this kind of financial service space outside of the US, Stone Co. is one you're going to want to watch along with that Seguro. And then I'm going to wrap it up with one of the retailers, Gap. I know it's a favorite of many of you. The shares are now trading near those 5-year lows here. They did come out and already pre-announced same-store sales prior to their actual announcement, and they have gotten rid of, I should say, the CEO. So they're going to need new management here. That was all a little shocking. And so it's unclear if they're even going to get the beat on this quarter or not. But Gap has a lot of other things going on. They may be still, I believe, splitting up with Old Navy going off to its own company. Gap and Banana and Athleta would stay on its own company, but I'm sure we'll see an update with that on this conference call. But a lot going on with the Gap. Is this the bottom? I don't know. We're going to see. As you can see, there's a lot going on, as I said, both in retail and outside of retail. Some of these interesting companies that kind of get overlooked because everybody thinks that earnings season is, done now, but it's not quite done. We're still going to have some more companies going next week, some big name retailers. So you're going to want to tune in. You can get all of our videos at Zacks.com/YouTube. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll get everything, or check us out on Twitter or on my Twitter feed at Tracy Reineck, and you'll see all these videos there as well. But be sure to get them somewhere, and I'll see you again next week with some more earnings.